Look, the reason 99% of people are gonna stay exactly where they are right now in 2026 is because they're comfortable being mediocre. They talk a big game about changing their life, but when it comes down to actually doing the work, they fall like a cheap lawn chair. And you know what? Most of them deserve to stay broke and miserable because they refuse to do what needs to be done. But you're different. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video right now. So pay attention because this is the exact business that separates winners from losers. My name's Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. As a matter of fact, I had my first $1,000 day at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22. That's cash collected, by the way, so not even revenue. And just a few years ago, I was this anxious kid from the low middle class with just a few $100 in the bank. So if I could do it, I think you can too. If you really want to get ahead of 99% of people in 2026, the first thing you need is clarity. And I'm not talking about some vague idea of what you think you want. I'm talking about crystal clear, razor-sharp clarity on exactly what your goals are and exactly how you're gonna get there. Here's what 99% of people do. They say stuff like, oh, I wanna be successful, or I wanna make more money, or I wanna get in shape. That's not a goal, that's a fantasy. That's a bedtime story you tell yourself so you can feel good without actually doing anything. A real goal is specific. A real goal has a number attached to it. And a real goal also has a deadline. So here's what you need to do right now. Sit down and write down exactly what you want to achieve by the end of 2026. Not what sounds impressive, not what your parents want, not what would look good on Instagram. What do you actually want? Do you want to make $10,000 a month? Do you want to lose 30 pounds? Do you want to build a business that generates $5,000 a month in profit? Whatever it is, write it down with specific numbers and a specific date. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. But here's where most people stop, and here's where you're going to be different. Once you have that goal, you need to reverse engineer the entire process. Break it down month by month, week by week, day after day. If you want to make $10,000 a month by the end of the year, you need to figure out exactly what actions you need to take every single day to make that happen. How many sales calls do you need? How many pieces of content should you post? How many hours of work? And this is where discipline finally becomes possible. You know why most people aren't disciplined? It's not because they're lazy. It's because they don't know where they're going. They don't have a proven step-by-step method to follow. I learned this the hard way. I used to beat myself up thinking I just wasn't disciplined enough. But the truth is, you can force yourself all you want to wake up early and work hard, but if you don't know exactly what you're working towards and exactly what steps you need to take, you're just spinning your wheels. Once you have clarity, discipline becomes automatic because you know exactly what needs to be done. There's no confusion. There's no wondering if you're doing the right thing. You're just following the plan and having faith in the process. Second thing, you need to train yourself to handle pain. You need to go the extra mile when everyone else quits. We live in a world that's completely ruined by instant gratification. Uber Eats brings food to your door in 20 minutes, which is awesome. I'm gonna be honest with you. I love it. TikTok gives you dopamine hits every 15 seconds. Netflix lets you binge watch an entire season in another world without moving from your couch. Everything is easy. Everything is designed to be comfortable. Everything is making you soft. And that's exactly why 99% of people are gonna fail. Because anything worth having in life takes time. It takes effort. It takes sacrifice. It takes pain. You want to build a successful business? That's going to be painful. You're going to work long hours. You're going to face rejection. You're going to fail time and time again before you actually succeed. You want to get in great shape? That's going to be painful some days. You're going to be sore. You're going to get hungry sometimes. You're going to want to quit during every single workout. You want to build a real, meaningful relationships? It's going to be painful. You're going to have to be vulnerable. You're going to have to risk rejection. You're going to have to have difficult conversations. So here's what you need to do. You need to gradually increase your pain tolerance. Start small. Do one more rep at the gym even when every fiber of your being is screaming at you to stop. Do 1 more hour of work on your business, even when you're exhausted and unmotivated. Go talk to that stranger, even when you're terrified they're gonna reject you. Because here's the thing that most people never get to understand. You can't eliminate pain from your life. It's impossible. Pain is coming either way. The only choice you have is what kind of pain you want to feel. You can choose the pain of being out of shape, the pain of hating yourself when you look in the mirror, the pain of feeling exhausted all the time because your body is falling apart. Or you can choose the pain of going to the gym a few times a week and pushing yourself past your limits and eating less junk food. You can choose the pain of staying broke, the pain of checking your bank account and feeling sick to your stomach, the pain of watching everyone around you succeed while you stay stuck. Or you can choose the pain of building a business, the pain of working even when you're tired, the pain of facing rejection and failure. Either way, you're gonna suffer, so you might as well suffer for something worth it. You might as well choose the pain that leads somewhere instead of the pain that keeps you stuck. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. If you want to get ahead of 99% of people in 2026, the next thing is that you need to realize you're gonna die. I'm serious. Memento mori. Remember death. Most people walk around acting like they have infinite time. They act like they can start tomorrow. They act like they can't afford to wait for the perfect moment. And that's exactly why they never accomplish anything. They have zero real urgency. I see this all the time. People tell me they want to start a business. They tell me they want to make $10,000 a month. And then when I ask them when they're planning to get started, it's always the same fucking excuses. Oh, now's not the right time. I'm waiting for a bonus in May. I'm waiting for a pay raise. I'm waiting for the perfect opportunity. If that's you, you don't deserve success. Wake the fuck up. These people will keep waiting forever and stay broke. And you know what? Good. They deserve it. Because the truth is, there's never gonna be a perfect time. There's never gonna be a moment where everything lines up perfectly and you feel completely ready. If you wait for that moment, you'll be waiting until you're dead. And speaking of death, that's exactly what you need to remember. You have a limited amount of time on this planet. Every day that passes is a day you're never getting back. Every week you waste waiting for the perfect moment is a week closer to the end. And when you're on your deathbed, do you really think you're gonna look back and be glad you waited? Do you think you're gonna be proud that you played it safe? No. You're gonna be filled with regret. You're gonna wish you had taken the shot. You're gonna wish you had started sooner. So use that. Use the reality of your own mortality to light a fire under your ass. Stop acting like you have all the time in the world. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now, today. Because every day you wait is another day wasted and you don't have that many days left. Next, you need to use the 80-20 principle to your advantage. This is probably the most important lesson on this entire list because it's gonna save you years of wasted effort. Here's the principle. In any area of life, only 20% of the things you do give you 80% of your results. Everything else is just noise. It's busy work. It's stuff that makes you feel productive, but doesn't actually move the needle. And most people never figure this out. They spend their entire lives working on the wrong things. They're busy all day, every day, but they never actually get anywhere because they're focused on the 80% that doesn't matter. So here's what you need to do. You need to figure out what the 20% is in your specific situation. What are the activities that are going to get you to your goal? For example, let's say you want to build a consulting business. What's the 20%? It's making content. It's running ads. It's taking sales calls. That's it. Everything else is secondary or completely unimportant. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need business cards. You don't need a logo. You don't need an LLC right away. All that stuff is the 80% that doesn't move the needle. But most people spend 90% of their time on that stuff because it's easy. It feels like progress. It doesn't require you to put yourself out there or face rejection. And that's exactly why they fail. So be ruthless about cutting out everything that's not in the 20%. Figure out what actually matters. Figure out what activities directly lead to your goal. And then spend all your time and energy on those things. Ignore everything else. Let it fall apart. Let it be messy. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is the 20% that gets you results. So there you have it. 4 lessons that will put you ahead of 99% of people in 2026. Get crystal clear on your goals and reverse engineer the process. Train yourself to handle pain and go the extra mile. Realize you're gonna die and use that urgency to take action now and focus only on the 20% of activities that actually get you results. Most people won't do any of this. They'll watch this video, maybe feel motivated for about 10 minutes, and then they'll go right back to scrolling TikTok and making excuses. But not you. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.